So what is Microsoft Azure really? Let's dive in and figure it out. But first, before we even get to Azure, we got to talk about what the cloud actually is.
Think of it like this. You're just renting computing power instead of buying all the hardware yourself.
So Azure is this huge platform where companies can build and run pretty much anything.
And it's changed a lot. It went from a niche Windows thing to a global tech powerhouse.
So just how big of a deal is Azure for big businesses? Let's take a look.
Now, AWS is still the leader, but Azure is a strong number 2 and it's catching up. And get this, a whopping 95% of Fortune 500 companies are actually running on Azure. For big companies, it just fits right into the Microsoft world they already know and trust.
Okay, we know it's massive, but how does it all work? Let's peek under the hood.
This crazy scale means your apps can run closer to your users, which makes them way faster. At its core, Azure gives you all the essential building blocks you need for IT.
And the really cool part is how you can choose exactly how much control you want.
Basically, the higher you go, the less you have to manage yourself. It's that simple.
But here's the thing. Azure isn't just about servers anymore. This is where it gets really interesting.
Right now, AI is what's truly setting Azure apart from the competition. It's a game changer.
And this partnership is the reason why. It's a huge deal for enterprise AI.
It means companies can use the world's best AI models, but in a safe, corporate environment.
So what does this all mean for the future? Where's this all heading?
It's not just about keeping the lights on anymore. It's about inventing what comes next. The main takeaway here is its evolution. It's gone from a niche tool to an essential platform.
It really makes you think. Choosing your cloud provider now means you're also choosing your AI partner.